Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something really exciting in the tech video. The Infinix Note 45G. This is the latest addition to Infinix lineup and we are going to unbox it, take a look at its designs and see how it performs. So let's get started. Alright, here we go. First off, as we open the box, after we open the box, we are greeted with the Infinix Note 40 5G itself neatly placed in this protective wrapping. Let's just check it out. The first thing we got is this Mac pad. Here it is right away, you can tell it has a premium feel to it. We will dive deeper into the designs in just a second. Let's see what else we got in the box. Let's just open the box. So now let's open the box. After opening the box, I got here the mobile phone on the upward, and let's check it out, the mobile phone, and keep on the side. Now let's check under what else we got under the box. Here on the upward this mini box, we got this MacPad. This MacPad is a wireless first charging pad and it's 15-watt magnetic. We will note about its specification under this video. So now let's check even under the box, and here it's the our adapter and cable wire. This cable wire is a USB type C, and we have got the usual a clear silicone case, which is always a great to see, and it's made up of a hard plastic. And if we talk about the 15-watt magnetic wireless fast charging pad, it's a new magnetic charging experience and it supports QI and EWP standard protocols, comfortable with more devices, multiple safety protection, more secure charging, and its zinc alloy shell, light and slim designs, 53 gram and 6.9 am input output, single port type C. It's really good to see this type of magnetic charge pad. Now let's take a closer look at the Infinix Note 40 5G. The first thing you will notice is this large 6.78-inch display, and it's got a full HD plus resolution, and I am excited to see how vibrant the colors look. Plus it got a refresh rate of 120 Hz, so gaming and scrolling should be a super smooth. On the back we have got a sleek designs, and I really like this matte finish that reduces fingerprint. The camera module here features a 108 megapixels plus 2 megapixels plus 2 megapixels main sensor, an AI lens and a depth sensor. Infinix is really pushing the camera game with this one, so well, test that out in the review. And on the front camera we have got this 32 megapixel on the top punch hole camera, and I have to say the screen looks pretty immersive. This is a 120 Hz display, so it should be a great for media consumption and gaming. Let's quick boot it up. The phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 chipset, which should provide a solid performance, especially with 5G connectivity. I also got the 8 GB of RAM variant here, which should help with multitasking and overall smooth performance. Right off the bat, the UI feels snappy and the screen looks sharp, and I'm liking this software experience here, running an Android 14 with the Infinix XOS skin on top. It's got some neat customization. We will dive deeper into those in just a bit. Now let's test out the camera. I am taking a few shots and I have to say the colors look really good for a phone in this price range. The 108 megapixel plus 2 megapixel sensor seems to perform well in different lighting conditions, and I'm gonna show you some images that I have captured in this mobile phone. Alright, now let's check out the performance with some testing the sound quality and video quality. The video quality on this new phone is truly impressive. The resolution is so sharp, making every detail come to life. Whether you are filming in bright sunlight or low light, the camera adjusts beautifully, keeping everything clear and vibrant. The colors look natural and the contrast is just right, giving the video a rich and polished feel. Even when you move the phone around, the video stay smooth with minimal blurries or shake. It's clear that the phone's camera is built to deliver high quality footage, making it perfect for anyone who wants to capture moments in stunning detail. Overall, the video quality really stands out and shows how much technology has advanced. As you can see, I'm just watching some videos on the YouTube. It's 4K video and it's look very outstanding. I just love the video quality. Let's even test the sound quality of this new phone. How is the sound quality? The audio is clear and crisp whether you are listening to music, watching videos, or making calls. The speaker delivers rich, full sound without any distortion, even at higher volumes. The bass is deep enough to add a nice depth, while the treble is sharp and precise. It's clear that the phone has been designed with great attention to sound, making everything you hear more immersive and enjoyable. Whether you are indoors or outdoors, the sound still holds up well, giving you a great listening experience. Wow, it's really outstanding. I just love the sound in this phone. So overall, the Infinix Note 40 5G offers great value for the price. You're getting a solid display, a reliable camera, and good performance with 5G support, all packed into a sleek designs. If you are in the market for an affordable 5G phone, this is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning into this unboxing and review. Make sure to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews. Let me know what you think of the Infinix Note 40 5G in the comments below and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.